Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get free credit card for Discord Nitro. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to search in Google Skrill. Open that website, open the first website Skrill, and once that website is open you simply need to click on register. And once you are on the register page, you simply need to enter your first name, last name, your country, your currency, your email, your password, and if you want offers you simply need to check that box and click on register. Once you register you can easily use that virtual credit card for the Discord Nitro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.